Hi guys, welcome to my channel KC Sir Ikkada. Today you are going to see the beautiful snack item or a tiffin with leftover idli. For that we need 8 idlis which are making into pieces and 3 onions with 2 red chilies. That is according to my spiciness. You can measure it with your spiciness. Okay, let's see how to do this item name chiali. Okay, and then pour almost 1 tablespoon of oil, which is enough. Let the oil heat. Add a spoon of cumin seeds. Next goes with mustard seeds. Next with a little chana dal and with 2 red chilies. Give it a good mix. Thereafter add a pinch of turmeric. It's not actually the pinch, it's a bit more because you need a beautiful color to the recipe. After this, as I told you earlier, this is 3 medium sized onions and 2 green chilies. Salt as per taste. Here you need to add the salt according to the taste. Why? Because here in this leftover idli you will be having inbuilt salt. Why? Because while preparing idli you will add salt. No, that's the reason. You have to check before adding salt to the onion and green chili. The salt is only for these onions and green chilies. Okay, salt these onions and chilies until it is cook. Okay, or you can cover it with lid for 5 to 8 minutes so that it may cook a bit early. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. It's been 5 minutes now. This cooking of onions is enough. Now I am going to overcook it because this is my family requirement. We do overcook it so that we find it very delicious. Okay, let it cook for some more time. Now onions and green chilies are ready, so that we can add this broken leftover idli and now give it a gentle mix. Why? Because if you toss irregularly it may break. So give it a gentle mix. Actually it is very popular in Prakasam district, which is in Andhra. Lot of people make recipes with different recipes with leftover idlis, but this is the unique one which you can see in Prakasam district houses. You can't get it even in any hotels or messes. And if you people want it to be sour, you can mix lemon juice with half a lemon while switching off the stove. But I would love it as it is, which will be a bit spicy. You can even add coriander leaves and curry leaves, but I don't like those in this dish. So we are done. Now close it with lid and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes so that this onion and mirchi flavor goes into the idli, plain idli, and you can find it a bit tasty and spicy. After that you can transfer it to the serving bowl. So if you are guys watching my channel for first time, please like, share and subscribe. This is Casey signing off.